Oceans and continents. Long questions with answers in 60 to 80 words. Number 1. Describe the distribution of land and water on earth. The earth's surface is mostly covered with water, nearly 3/4 of it, mainly in the form of oceans. The remaining 1/4 is land, forming continents and islands. Oceans are more concentrated in the southern hemisphere, while the northern hemisphere has more land. This uneven distribution affects climate and biodiversity. Oceans appear blue from space, which is why Earth is called the blue planet. Number 2. What are continents? List the 7 continents in order of size. Continents are large landmasses on Earth surrounded by oceans. The 7 continents are Asia, which is largest, then Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia, which is the smallest. Some geographers combine Europe and Asia into Eurasia. These continents differ in size, population, climate, and biodiversity. They shape human civilization, history, and geographical identity. Number 3. Explain how oceans affect human life and the environment. Oceans regulate the Earth's climate by distributing heat through currents and evaporation. They provide oxygen through marine plants, support fisheries for food, enable trade and travel, and bring rainfall. Oceans influence monsoons, essential for farming in countries like India. However, they can also cause disasters like cyclones and tsunamis. Marine life and ecosystems depend on ocean health, making it crucial for human survival and environmental balance. Number 4. What are the 5 major oceans and how are they interconnected? The 5 major oceans are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic oceans. Though mapped separately, they form one continuous body of water. Currents flow across oceans, mixing waters and helping marine life migrate. The Pacific is the largest, followed by the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. The Southern and Arctic Oceans are smaller but important for the Earth's climate. These interconnected oceans help maintain temperature and life on Earth. Number 5. What are tsunamis and how can we reduce their impact? Tsunamis are giant waves usually triggered by underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. They can travel fast across oceans and destroy coastal areas, causing massive loss of life and property. The 2004 tsunami was one such deadly event. To reduce their impact, early warning systems like the Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System help alert people in advance. Disaster management, awareness, and emergency preparedness are key to minimizing damage. Number 6. Why are oceans called the lungs of the planet? Oceans produce more than half of the world's oxygen through marine plants like phytoplankton and algae. These microscopic plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. This makes oceans vital for life on Earth. Oceans also regulate temperature, influence the water cycle, and absorb carbon, helping reduce global warming. Their role in maintaining air quality and life makes them the lungs of the planet. Number 7. How do oceans cause both benefits and disasters? Oceans provide rain, food, oxygen, and are vital for transport and trade. They help regulate the climate and support marine biodiversity. However, they can also cause natural disasters like cyclones, tsunamis, and sea level rise due to climate change. These disasters threaten coastal communities while oceans nurture life. They also demand respect and caution due to their vast and powerful nature. Number 8. What is the significance of World Oceans Day? World Oceans Day is celebrated on June 8 to raise awareness about the importance of oceans in our lives. It reminds us that oceans provide food, oxygen, and climate control. It highlights issues like pollution, overfishing, and marine biodiversity loss. The day encourages people and government to protect ocean ecosystems for future generations. It is a global call to action for ocean conservation. Number 9. What are islands? Name the largest island and two island groups of India. Islands are landmasses smaller than continents, completely surrounded by water. The largest island in the world is Greenland. India has over 1,300 islands. The two main island groups in India are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Islands are important for biodiversity, tourism, defense, and strategic purposes. Number 10. How do continents and oceans shape human culture and history? Continents and oceans have greatly influenced migration, trade, exploration, and settlement. Ancient civilizations developed near rivers and coastal areas. Oceans allowed people to explore new lands, exchange goods, and share cultures. Maritime routes helped to build empires and economies. Stories of sea gods, myths, and ocean voyages are found in many cultures, showing how deeply oceans and continents are linked to human history.